mindset चाहिए. How many of you believe that to achieve anything in any areas, mindset plays a very important role. Very important role. तो सबसे पहला चीज, write it down. Having a very strong why. WHY. Very important key to have a strong why, like why you should do it. Why you should do it. So, Simon Sinek, he's an author, he says, a motivational speaker, he says that when the why is clear, the how is very easy. जब आपको पता है आपको ये चीज क्यों करना है, तो कैसे करना है बहुत आसान हो जाता है. पर पहले पता तो चले क्यों करना है. Why it is important. So when the vision is clear, strategy is easy, है ना. बट आपको पता तो चले कि why you want a good health, why you want a good career, why you want a good life partner, why you want money, wealth in your life. It's very, very important. Why you want to have peace in your life. It's not only about health, career, money, and relationship. It's also about peace. Why you want peace? है ना? People don't think about peace, you know. They think about health, career, money, relationship, these 4 areas, but you don't think. You actually ignore, you miss out. Unknowingly, you miss out why you want peace. The moment you understand ना कि क्यों चाहिए peace, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा उसे कैसे achieve करना है. How to achieve it. So very important factor is like why. Yes, why should be very strong to achieve anything in any areas of your life. Next is like surround yourself with people who are smarter and wealthier than you. अभी नॉर्मली हम क्या करते हैं, नॉर्मल पर्सन, नहीं वो बहुत ज्यादा ऊंचे इसमें का है, ही इज वेरी बिग एंड ही इज वेरी ग्रेट एंड वेरी ही इज फाइनेंशियली आल्सो वेरी हाई एंड ऑल. हाउ कैन आई कांट. This is the biggest mistake we do. Biggest mistake. In fact, we should go and meet and be with them. And they are not like, no, we are richer, we cannot have you around. It's not that. It's not that. Rich people or successful people are always ready to help. Always ready to show you the right path because they have already achieved it. They have already achieved it. So they love to do that. So surround yourself with people who are more intelligent, more stronger, more wealthier, and more successful than you. Because whether you like it or not, we are the products of our environment. We are the products of our environment. यानी हमारा environment अगर healthy है, तो हमारा mindset भी healthy रहेगा. अगर हमारा environment खुशी से भरा हुआ है, it's happy, we will be filled with happiness. How many of you understand that? Definitely, when our environment and all our circumstances and situations are sad, do you think you'll be like, wow? No, not possible. But yes, there are chances when the environment is good, happy, happening. You like, that environment, you love to be there. Maybe you're not too active like me, but at least you feel like smiling, being with that people. Maybe you're less expressive, but still, आपको पसंद होगा उनके साथ रहना. Now, this is like strong vibes you're absorbing from there. Strong vibes. And when you start absorbing and also noticing, when you observe, you try to become like them. I mean, you try to, take all the good things from them. You try to understand, यार ये कैसे है, ये कैसे होता है, how come they are like. So very, very important. Please surround your people, because changing yourself begins with changing your environment. अपने आप में अगर चेंज लाना है तो आपके एनवायरनमेंट को पहले चेंज करना होगा. You need to go to such places, which will help you. For example, when you go in a park in the morning for walking or something like that, you see, the environment is good. Some people are like having that laughter club there. Some are like, very dedicatedly walking and exercising. You look at them, you feel motivated. Some are meditating. You look at them and you feel, wow, yeah, they are in like enjoying that peace in their life. So very, very important to have that kind of environment. Even if you go at any workplace, if you are in job or any business, if the people around you are like, very, very positive, strong, they have a good mindset, smile on their face, you love to work in that place. But imagine going in that environment. I remember one of my cousins said, "Yeah, Pooja, मजा ही नहीं आ रहा है. इतना best, one of the best company है in the world. But there the environment is like, hop. People are not bothered who's sitting near you, front of you. बस अपने इसमें है एंड यही उनकी जिंदगी. ना स्माइल करते, ना आंखें उठाकर देखते, कुछ नहीं. ब्रेक में ना बात करते, ना कुछ. अपना खाना खा लो, जाके फिर से बैठ. आई एम नॉट getting motivated there to work. I feel like it's a dead place. It's not filled with oxygen. I said, yeah, definitely. If the environment is so dead, so low, you will not get motivated. And she said, फिर क्या करना है उस पैसे का यार? Because I'm not able to perform there. And even if I get that money, I feel like, ठीक है यार, पैसा तो आ रहा है, but what about the environment? What about the mental health? It's very important. How many of you feel, yeah, the environment is important. People around us are important. They make us, they actually make us. They make us feel, they make us, experience. It's very important. So, who are smarter and wealthier than you makes it easier to do what's right without having or think about staying motivated. Like if they are like super intelligent, wealthier, उनके actions देखकर ही हम motivate हो जाते हैं. It does not matter, कि वो hard है या difficult. It becomes automatically easy. Looking at them, यार कितने easily ये लोग कर लेते हैं, कितने easily अपना target complete करते हैं, कितने easily they speak to us with so much positivity. ऐसा नहीं कि उनके life में problems नहीं है. They have problems in their life, but they know where to focus. They know where to focus. They focus on solutions, not problems. And that's why they are successful. Problems will come to everyone. But if you're a solutionist, then wow, you can inspire and motivate people. How many of you feel, wow, you don't talk much about your problems, you talk about your solutions. And people around you really love to be with you when you give them solutions. Seriously, if every day I come to you and say, मेरे life में ऐसा चल रहा है, मेरे family में ऐसा चल रहा है, मेरे career में ऐसा चल रहा है, so 1 or 2 days you will like it. But after some time, you'll find it irritating. Every day she comes and every day she's talking about only complaints and problems here. And वो सुनकर मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरी life में problems चल रही है. See, it happens. It happens. But 1 or 2 days is okay. But otherwise, यार मेरे लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, but it's okay. You know what? I would tackle it this way. मैं ऐसे ऐसे solutions करता हूँ, ऐसे tackle करता हूँ. I read a book, I watch a movie, or I do something. Then you feel inspired. Okay, now this person has problem, but this person is also ready with the solutions. So the point is, everyone has problems, but few work on these solutions. And you would love to be with such people, isn't it? Who have solutions to their problems. So who are you? Ask yourself. A solutionist or only creating problems or talking about your problems? Who are you? You need to notice that. Now, I was a person earlier talking only about problems. यार मेरे घर में ऐसा चल रहा है, फाइनेंशियली मेरा ऐसा ड्रॉप हो गया है, आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू दिस, आई एम नॉट एबल टू अट्रैक्ट दिस. Yes, every time. Now what I understood was, slowly after few months, I saw that connection with the people was becoming lesser and lesser. People are avoiding me, ignoring me. That was really hurting and painful. And I asked my guru, why this is happening. I was a person, people used to love to be with me. They used to love, very yaar, Pooja's company is one of the best company. Then, achanak kya ho gaya? What happened? He told me, look back, why they were with you. What was that they were receiving from you? And I really went back. I said, oh, I was such a fun-loving person. Always, making people laugh, doing all those dramas and etc., jokes, cracking jokes. And I was always like, full with energy, inspiring. And I noticed now what I'm doing. I'm only talking about problems. I'm only focusing on my problems. And I'm only talking about, with them, about them. Even if they're meeting me after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, but it's one topic only, my problems. And then I understood, okay. And that was a game changer for me. Again, I flipped myself and went back to my own Prakriti. Prakriti means the root what you are. I said, yeah, I am a person who will create happiness, crack jokes, make people laugh. I went back. Now you understand why the child is alive in me? Why still people feel, यार ये इतनी बड़ी है, matured है, motivate करती है, but फिर भी इसमें एक बचपना दिख कर आता है. How many of you notice that childlike thing in me? Yeah, but that is maybe you like it also. That is maybe you like it also, right? So that is the thing. So understand what was keeping you on, and now what is keeping you off. You need to study that. It's very important. That mindset is, has changed my life completely. But yeah, with the help of a coach and a mentor. Now the next thing is take decision fast. So Tony Robbins, like, decision lead to action. When you take decision, it leads to action, definitely. Now I say, I've decided that I want to go for a movie today. And what will be the next action? Go book the tickets. Remember, are you getting the point? When you decide what you have to do, your next step is action. It becomes very fast. I want to reduce 3 kgs. Okay, what I need to do? Join some fitness, fitness classes or something like that. So when your decisions are fast, your actions become very fast. And that is how you reach your goals. But the problem is, should I lose weight? Am I okay? No. What should I do? No. Should I go there to Goa or Mahabaleshwar, or whether I should, join this camp or that camp? You are confused. Whatever your decision, anyway, successful people take risk. 1, 2, 3 कर दो. Fail तो fail, कोई problem नहीं. But at least you decided what you wanted to do. Does not matter if it, but what if you pass? What if you pass? So even that's a mindset. So very important. So it is in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. It is in the moment of your decision that your destiny has taken shape. Very important line. So our lives depends upon the decision we make. That creates our destiny. That's what Tony Robbins always says. And Mitesh sir says. Even he says always. Mitesh ji always says, Tony Robbins always say that. Take decision, act fast. Even if you fail, it's okay. Fail fast. The faster you fail, the faster you feel successful. The faster you will get successful. So very, very important. Take decision as it comes. So taking quick decisions could be a game changer also for you. You never know. Arey yaar, I just took that decision. I thought it would be wrong, but I took it. But now I understood, wow, it's helping me to gain lots of wealth in my life, or attract great relationships, or gain peace in my life. So take decisions. That's very important. People take months and months and months to take decisions. And then they lose interest. And what happens in the end? You are back to zero. You are back to zero. So the moment, you get a message, upgrade or learn this, take decision. Take quick decision. Otherwise, you'll say, no, I'll do it after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. That is never going to come. I am telling you, that is never going to come. It will come like, 1 or 2% people only can hit that. Otherwise, it won't happen for years. And you'll go back to zero, level zero. Again, that hard work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're already on level 5, maybe. And you take a quick decision and you jump on 7. And that's a good number. That's a good number. How many of you feel that? Yes, that you delay your decision, you procrastinate. How many of you really have done that? Type in the chat window. I confess it. It's okay. Be honest. Be honest. I have done that. I have done that at times, taking late decisions. And then eventually feeling, yeah, I lost it. Ultimately, I lost it. Yeah. So it's very important to take quick decision and just go through whatever comes in. You never know. That will be a game changer for you. Yeah. Next is getting a mentor. Now, I understand everyone has a mentor, but the correct mentor is very important. How many of you feel that? A wrong mentor can really destroy your life, but a perfect or a great or successful mentor can make your life. So I remember Oprah Winfrey said once, she said, a mentor is someone who allows you to see the hope inside yourself. Yeah. वो सही मेंटर होता है ना, जो अलाउ करता है एक इंसान के अंदर एक होप जगाता है. अरे यू कैन डू इट यार, कम ऑन, ट्राई इट, यू कैन डू इट, follow this, try to take the first step. So that mentor is the person who will push you, will help you, will coax you. It's important. I feel really fortunate, to have learned from one of the, some of the best mentors on this planet. In these 15 years of my life, I have really, in fact, more than 15, I should say, from my childhood. So I should really say 45 years. I've been blessed with, amazing mentors. And every step, every mentor had a different, essence. कुछ अलग ही था उनमें, कुछ अलग ही था. हर एक mentor में कुछ अलग ही था. एक magic, which created magic moments for me. But did you go and search? When you search, you get. It's very important. When you really search, when you really feel, no, I want to do this, I want to improve, I want to achieve. The moment you say, na, your next action is you'll search for a mentor. And I'm telling you, you will get a correct mentor in your life. The moment you think, I want to do this, you'll get the mentor. But the moment you feel, सोच रहा हूं मैं ये करूं या ना करूं, लाइफ में कभी अच्छा मेंटर नहीं मिलेगा, आपको गलत मेंटर मिल जाएगा. खत्म. Time waste, energy waste, money waste. But the moment you think, I want to do this, I want to achieve this, then you know how. And the guru appears, the teacher appears, the mentor appears, the coach appears. Very, very important. And I feel so happy that in these years, now when I've achieved all this knowledge, now I'm getting this opportunity to give the favor back. मेरे गुरु को मैं क्या रिटर्न करूंगी? क्या रिटर्न करूंगी? लोगों को मदद करके, वही नॉलेज से, वही एक्सपीरियंस से जो मैंने किया, वो अब मैं जब औरों को दूंगी, by giving it out, starting it out, that will be my, gift back, the return gift to my mentors. So my gurus feel, यार मैंने जो सिखाया इन्होंने इम्प्लीमेंट किया. आप लोग सब नॉलेज बटोर रहे हो from different classes, from different courses, from Mitesh ji, from me, from any other people. But how many of you are really implementing it? This is the return gift to your guru. And I'm telling you, when you have that feeling, of giving it back, success just happens to you automatically. You don't have to work hard. The blessings, just start sprinkling. अपने आप वो blessings, आपके ऊपर बरसने लग जाते हैं, वर्क करने लग जाते हैं. बिकॉज रिमेंबर द गुरुज ना, उनके दिल में, मन में, दिमाग में, हमेशा जहन में आप रहते हो। जब आप परफॉर्म करते हो उन्हें नजर आता है, जब आपको कुछ ना कुछ रिजल्ट्स मिलता है, उनके वो जहन में रहता है, ये स्टूडेंट को ये रिजल्ट मिला था, इन्होंने ये कुछ पाया था, इन्होंने हार्ड वर्क किया था, उनके जहन में होता है। और एट दैट मोमेंट व्हेन आई फील नो, हाँ यार, दिस वन ऑफ आवर स्टूडेंट डिड दिस, blessing comes here automatically. The blessings comes from inside and it goes to you, and that works, not the money which you invested in the course, but what you implemented, what you learned, and what you gave back, and how you gave back. This works. The blessings of the guru then works, and then nobody can stop you, I'm telling you. जब गुरु का हाथ सर पे होता है ना, कुछ नहीं चाहिए जिंदगी में। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फील दैट? सही में कुछ नहीं चाहिए। क्या चाहिए? क्या चाहिए? उसके सामने पैसा फीका, उसके सामने सब दुनियादारी फीकी, और गुरु का साथ, उनका हाथ भी आप पकड़ लो या उन्होंने आपका हाथ पकड़ लिया और उनका हाथ अपने सर पे, वी फील लाइक वाओ, डन, कंप्लीट। That complete feeling comes from where? So have that mindset of having the great guru. Follow, understand what your mentor is doing. Try to follow that. So getting motivated with right people is good. It does not mean you're copying. You're not copying them. You are getting motivated. You're getting inspired with the knowledge they're sharing. It's a very important thing. Next is like fear of the unknown. The biggest, like fear is and will always be the greatest enemy in human mankind. How many of you feel that? हाँ यार, ये डर ही एक चीज है जो हमेशा हमें पीछे खींच कर लेके जाता। करूं नहीं करूं, डर लग रहा है। इनसे बात करूं, पता नहीं, डर लग रहा है। एग्जाम दूं, डर लग रहा है। हेल्थ के लिए रिस्क लूं, डर लग रहा है। करियर में ये रिस्क लूं, डर लग रहा है। डर तो है सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन आपका। और जिस दिन ये डर निकल गया ना, फिर क्या डर? फिर क्या प्रॉब्लम है? तो वही तो बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है ना, बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम ही तो फियर था आपका। सो लाइक फ्रैंकलिन डी रोजवेल्ट सेड, listen to this, the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. डर से डरो, डरो कि डर आपकी जिंदगी में ना आए। तो वो चलेगा, उस चीज से डरो। डोंट अलाउ योरसेल्फ टू फॉल इनटू ऑल द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फियर्स। फेस इट। क्या होगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा? क्या होगा? फेल ही होगे ना, तो क्या होगा? जल्दी फेल हो जाएंगे तो जल्दी पास हो जाएंगे। पता तो चलेगा हम फेल क्यों हुए। अच्छा, ये स्टेप से फेल हुए क्या? ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टाइम करेक्ट कर दो। नेक्स्ट टाइम यू कैन करेक्ट इट एंड मूव अहेड। अरे देयर आर सक्सेसफुल पीपल फेल्ड 100 times. आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट हैव नॉट फेल्ड 100 times बिकॉज यू डिड नॉट ट्राई 100 times. एक दो बार फेल क्या हो गए? डर। नहीं यार, 2 times आई ट्राइड, आई फेल्ड, नो 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 नो, आई हैव द फियर नाउ, आई वोंट डू दैट, forget, leave, next. Again you start from zero, and same thing happens there also. Now that becomes your pattern, because why? You didn't face your fear at the first phase, first time, first situation. Face it. Now how many of you women relate to this? Like when you experienced your first pregnancy, you had that fear inside, giving birth to a child. It is fearful, but once you go through it, second time you're like confident. Like you feel you can become a coach, and you keep on even motivating people. अरे कुछ नहीं होता है, ये खाओ, ये अच्छा होता है, ऐसे बैठो, ऐसे मेडिटेट करो, ऐसे एक्सरसाइज करो, इवन इफ यू आर प्रेग्नेंट, यू डिलीवरी हो जाएगी, you become an expert. Why? Because you faced the fear of giving birth. So what I'm saying is, face it. क्या होगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा? क्या होगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा? Anyway, if you don't face it, you're going to fail. डर के मारे you won't even try it. But what if you try it and you win, even with that little fear in your mind? But you passed because you faced it. So the best thing is, वो बोलते हैं ना मोतीचूर का लड्डू खाकर ही अच्छा है ना, नहीं खाने से तो. So have that kind of mindset, like facing it. So overcoming fear is essential to your success. If you want to become successful, you need to overcome your fear. The future belongs to the risk takers, remember. The future belongs to only people who take risk. And they are not like the security seekers. हमेशा सिक्योर, नहीं नहीं बाबा ये पैसे बचा के रखता हूँ, यहाँ डाल दूं और ये हो गया तो. अरे वो बचा बचा के पैसा कितना बचने वाला है? It's not going to multiply. The money is not going to multiply. And money loves speed. Money loves speed. अगर आप उसको स्पीड से इंक्रीज करना चाहोगे, करेक्ट डिसीजंस लोगे या रिस्क लोगे, वो मल्टीप्लाई होने के चांसेस ज्यादा है. बट आप सेव करते रहोगे, वो बहुत छोटा अमाउंट होने वाला है. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू आल्सो इन फ्यूचर एंड नॉट इवन योर फैमिली इन फ्यूचर. वैसे भी एक एक रुपए बचा के कोई करोड़पति बना नहीं, इम्पॉसिबल. वो जिंदगी और बचाते गया है, ना खुद एंजॉय किया ना किसी को एंजॉय करने दिया. एंड आई नो सच पीपल अराउंड मी, दे हैव नॉट लिव्ड लाइफ. एंड यू नो व्हाट, they have not lived life, and that same kind of fear they have transferred to their children also. प्रोग्रामिंग करके गए उनके दिमाग में, बचत करो, पैसा रखो. सेविंग इज गुड, बट नॉट किलिंग योरसेल्फ. by killing yourself you're saving, it's not going to work. And the children are also going through the same thing. सेव करो, एंजॉय नहीं करते. बचाओ बचाओ बचाओ. And what happens? New people who enter into their life ना, they get frustrated. यार बचाते ही रहते हैं. I'm not able to live with that person now. I'm feeling frustrated with that person now. How many of you are or seeing such kind of people who are not enjoying, only saving, and because of them others are also not enjoying with them? So important. Ask yourself. Don't ask this, what if I fail? In fact, say, what if I succeed? Yeah, that should be the mindset. मैं अगर इसमें पैसा डालूं, what if I fail, you know? ये अगर एग्जाम्स दूं, what if I fail? Instead of having that mindset so strongly, why don't we change it to, what if I fail? What if I get succeeded? So make the action plan. If I succeed, I will do this, 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 this. So where is the focus? On the future goals. That's it. Your focus is not, what if I fail? So it's very important. Very, very important. Next thing is, create new habits. Create new habits. Very important. There are people who are like, don't you get bored with your daily routine? सुबह उठो, वही करो, वही ये करो, फिर वो करो, फिर वो करो. Whole day just goes in that, you know, boring routine. And the more boring you become, the more lifeless you become, you know, like no life. New habits is very good, you know. Maybe you don't have a habit of cracking joke. Start cracking jokes. There are so many social medias. You can just go listen to few of them and go and crack jokes. Have that kind of, you know, happy present mind, you know, presence of mind. Like it's just punchlines बोलते हैं उसे बोलते हैं माहौल create करना. Have that ability to do that. Even that is a good habit. Like any new habits create new lives or new life inside you. Same thing you're going to do. After some time, you start looking older than your age. लोग बोलेंगे यार बुढ़ा दिखने लग गया है, तो बुढ़ी दिखने लग गई है, तो तू है भी नहीं उतनी तो भी दिखने लग गई है. You know why? Following the same old pattern and routine. And you feel this is compulsory. भले ही मैं बोर हो रहा हूं, भले ही कुछ भी, but this is what I have to do. No, you made this rule. You made this pattern. You created this habit. of following the same old pattern and habit. Change it, break it. I remember my college friend, I just met her 2 months back, okay? And when I met her, I just gave her a surprise on her birthday. And when I met her, I said, yeah, Mansi, you are looking older than you are. And I find you boring now. We used to like, create such amazing moments and memories. What has happened to you? कुछ नहीं यार, दिन भर मेरा मतलब what do you do दिन भर? मेरा workshop है and she's a businesswoman, okay, let me tell you that, a very successful one, but with a boring life. मतलब वही रूटीन, बस सुबह उठो, घर का खाना बनाओ, ऑफिस चले जाओ, वर्कशॉप पे जाओ एंड सब देखो, काम रूटीन सबने किया कि नहीं, मशीनरीज चल रही है नहीं, क्लाइंट्स हैप्पी है नहीं, अकाउंटिंग देखो, मैनेज करो, बस रात के 11 बजे फैक्ट्री को ताला मारो और घर पे आ जाओ. एंड मैं सेड एंड देन नेक्स्ट डे सेम थिंग, एंड देन वीकेंड्स आल्सो सेम थिंग, बट एटलीस्ट संडेज इतनी थक जाती हूं मैं कि आई एम जस्ट एट होम cooking, washing, cleaning, and sleeping. I said, what? Do you remember what kind of Mansi you were? I said, I don't remember. I said, truly? You don't even remember? I said, नहीं पूजा, याद नहीं यार मुझे, तू ही याद दिला दे. I said, we were this. हम ये सब करते थे, मस्ती करते थे, खाना खाने जाते थे, ज्यादा लोगों को मिलते थे, मस्ती, we used to live like. I said, I too don't know also, I too don't remember, I don't know how to start it also. I said, what you don't know? You don't need to know, you just need to start. अब तुम खोजने जाओगी क्या एंजॉय कैसे करना है? I said, come today with me. अरे नहीं, आज ऑफिस, सी दिस ऑफिस वर्क है, इंटेलिजेंटली सोचो, हाउ कैन इट बी मैनेज्ड? You have people under you. Delegate work. इनको ये दे दो, उनको ये दे दो, हर चीज आपको ही करनी है. Tell them very clearly. Today evening I'm not there, so this work will be managed by these two people. Khatam. So don't call me, just message me if it is very, very, very emergency or important. And I took her on the odd days, okay? I took her. We enjoyed to the fullest. And she said, Pooja, yaar, I had forgotten this life. Seriously, I feel so light. I feel जैसे कोई कंधे पे बोझ ही नहीं है. I said, yeah, you were missing out on this. And this is what I'm doing now for her. Now she's feeling कि life है मेरी, कुछ meaningful है. I exist, yeah. This was the word what she said. I feel now I exist on this planet. वरना ऐसा लग रहा था I was a robot, a machine, जो बस fuel करता था और काम करता था. That's it. And literally her skin had become, dried and everything. She was not interested in getting ready, doing no makeup, nothing. कुछ नहीं, बस उठो, जो सामने दिख रहा है पहनो और निकलो. I said, what? You were one of the best fashion stylist. I remember we had, we were dreaming of like अपना ऐसा fashion store होगा, and I did that. I had my own store. I had my own boutique. I did that. I lived my dream. She was like thinking, and she left it also. Boring life. And now, so this is very important. That's why I'm saying, create new habits. Every day, do something different, which will keep you alive. And you will see the result in your daily life, daily routine. Very, very important. For many of us, like morning routine is our strongest routine. How much do you feel that? सुबह का जो रूटीन होता है वो एकदम पावरफुल होता है, एनर्जेटिक होता है. That is the most strongest time. At that time you implement that new habit. New habit, it could be anything which you were passionate for, in your young days. जब आप young थे तो आप कुछ ना कुछ चीजों के लिए passionate तो हो गए ही. Start that kind of activity. And that strongest moment, the morning routine. So remove that half an hour or 1 hour is also enough. That half an hour is also enough. Get up a little bit early then. But the half day of your routine is really the strongest. And that is the great place where you can start a new habit. So it can be anything. It can be music, it can be dance, it can be reading new language or learning new language. It can be sports, it can be meeting a new friend or talking or calling up a new, older friend and just letting know क्या हो रहा है उनके life में क्या नहीं. It can be anything. Anything. So do that. It's very, very important. And today's last topic is, we will be continuing it tomorrow also, is visualize success. Very, very important factor. Visualize success means athletes क्या करते हैं? Yeah, people जो sports में हैं, what they do? They visualize that they have crossed the ribbon already. बिकॉज जब माइंड में उनका विजुअलाइजेशन हो जाता है, इमेज क्रिएट हो जाता है, सो एक्चुअली व्हेन दे आर परफॉर्मिंग, इट इज वेरी इजी फॉर देम एंड दे आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट एट दैट मोमेंट बिकॉज ऑलरेडी उनका माइंड में मैप तैयार हो चुका होता है. सो एवरीथिंग स्टार्ट्स हियर फर्स्ट. एवरीथिंग स्टार्ट्स फर्स्ट हियर. सो इमेजिन द सक्सेस has been completed, or maybe you have completed that thing, whatever you wanted to. It can be a physical task or anything. Before achieving it, visualize it. So all our great mentors are saying that. Visualization is very important when you manifest or when you want to manifest your goals. Very, very, very important factor. And आपको पता है कि visualization बहुत ही important है. But how many of you are implementing it every day? Every day. How many of you? Tell me. How many of you? The moment you get up from your sleep, that is this time to visualize. When you're saying your affirmations, you literally close your eyes and you're visualizing, yes, I've reached 5 crores. I've reached 5 lakh students. I already have a Mercedes in my parking. I already have students who have created 100 healers under them. I already have my parents, living a healthy life. I am visualizing that already my daughter is an advocate now. And like she has her own chamber, or she has, her own whatever goals fulfilled, and she's happy and she's sharing with us. This is visualization, already seeing the picture in your mind. So when that picture actually happens front of your, front of you, अरे यार ये तो मैंने already सोच रखा था. What do you think? How your intuition becomes stronger? By only meditating? By only adding some astrological effects, numerological effects? Intuition first works when you start with visualization. That is the first step. बाद में ये सब बाकी चीजें आती है. First thing is visualization. How you visualize? Simply like I'm closing my eyes and yeah, I have a Mercedes and I'm sitting in that other seat because I don't like driving. So I would always have a person who will drive for me. So I'm seeing, yeah, someone is sitting here. My daughter is also enjoying the music there. And I'm going for a drive and going for having an ice cream. So I went to that one of the most famous ice cream parlor, and I'm having the best ice cream scoop with my daughter and my parents. So this kind of visualization is going to come true when you feel real about it. And you need to start. Now, the point is, सच होगा क्या? बट सोचना तो शुरू करो, तब सच होगा ना. डाउट क्रिएट करोगे तो नहीं होने वाला है. It may take 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, but it will happen when you keep on visualizing and add power to it, add power to it, add power. आपको मालूम है एक दीवार पे अगर आप रोज ठोकर मारो ना पूरे स्ट्रेंथ से, 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल वो गिरने वाला है दीवार. रोज रोज अगर आप हैमरिंग करो ना, one day that wall will break. But the point is, one day you'll try, 2 days, 3 months, 4 months, and अब मैं थक गया, अब मैं नहीं होता है मुझसे, वो कुछ गिरने विलने वाला है नहीं, it's not going to break, forget it. अरे यार 5 दिन और कर लेते, वो गिरने में थी दीवार. Days, it was just going to happen, and you missed it. The universe is always ready to give you the gift, and it's on the way. The point is, you take a U-turn, and the gift goes up and stays ऊपर. It goes back. Because वो आपके लिए था, वो किसी और को नहीं दे सकते हैं. वो गिफ्ट आपके लिए था, आपको ही देना था, बट आप ही दरवाजा बंद करके चले गए. खत्म बात. So very, very important. Visualization. Everyone get up. So why do we have this dance? Visualize yourself that you are happy, you're enjoying, you're feeling lighter. You can also enjoy and make your life better. You deserve it. हक है वो आपका. बट नहीं, म्यूजिक चालू होगा तो सबको देखना डांस कैसे कर रहे हैं. मैं थोड़ी डांस कर सकता हूँ, ये मेरा थोड़ी काम है, तो किसका काम है? आपकी लाइफ आप एंजॉय नहीं करोगे तो कौन करेगा? आपकी लाइफ में आप कंफर्ट जोन में से बाहर नहीं निकलेंगे तो कौन निकलेगा? My dear friend, it's only you to take actions. Others have already taken and gone. It's your chance. Take it. Chalo, get